So some of you guys that have already owned E36 M3s will of course already know just how very tricky it is to find a decent example. So even if you are prepared to take on a restoration project, finding a car with the right integrity is now almost impossible. This of course may be your only option. Finding a decent unrestored original car is extremely hard. They were the victim, I suppose, really of their own success. They just worked and they did everything they said on the tin. They got driven as daily cars, followed by a track day at the weekend. Now, our customer here had made noises in the past about his love of these cars. The E36 was his bedroom wall poster car when the possibility of ownership, well, felt like a lifetime away and pretty remote, and we all remember that feeling. So move on 27 years, and yes, unfortunately that is right, 27 years, and it's now time to find the right car to add to his already growing collection of dream cars. It was this particular car that passed our due diligence with enough integrity for him to take a long-term view with. This project had to be the right balance of aesthetics and usability. There was to be no compromise, obviously, on structural integrity, with the emphasis on all the usual future-proofing to ensure this shell is protected for many decades to come. We did some cosmetic paintwork, just enough to make him proud, but without creating paranoia. Mechanically, the car was to want for nothing. It's going to get driven and enjoyed. All the known Achilles heels obviously had to be eliminated, along with all the rubber components that are now approaching 30 years old. Water pump, thermostat, coolant hoses, fuel hoses, brake hoses replaced, calipers rebuilt, new brake discs, pads, wheel bearings, engine, gearbox and diff seals and gaskets replaced, hydraulic cylinders, clutch, tyres, suspension bushes, ball joints, steering track rods, gaiters renewed, the lot. These are just a few of the areas dealt with by the workshop, ensuring that this M3 can be driven with utter confidence without any of those nasty surprises. So, enjoy!